Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, how to use a guitar tuner to tell which notes you are playing. If you are not sure about which note that you are playing when you place a finger on the fretboard of the guitar, here is something that might help. If you have the right kind of guitar tuner, it is possible to know which note is being played no matter where on the fretboard the note is located. You will need a tuner that has an output jack that sends out a signal while the display shows which note is being played. I am not an endorser of the pedal that I am using for this demo. It happens to be the one that I own. This is the Mod Tone MT-PT1 Chromatic Tuner. I purchased it because it happens to have two output jacks which can be run to an amp. The one that reads bypass sends the signal to the amp while displaying the note that is being played. The jack marked output is muted while the display shows the note, so the bypass jack is the one that I want to use in this scenario. When I play a note on the guitar fretboard, not only will I hear the note, but I will be able to see which note is being played on the display. This is great for learning your notes or for writing down notes of a piece that you are writing or learning. If I play a scale, you will see exactly which notes are in it. Here is the C major scale. Here is the A minor pentatonic scale. Here is the A major scale. If you play a riff, you can see exactly which notes are in it. Here is Bad by Michael Jackson. And those notes were A, C, D, D sharp, E. Here is Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. In order to see those notes, we're going to have to slow that down. No more guesswork when it comes to notes. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.